Hello guys, welcome to the Cloud Guru. Today I have came up with a new 3 keyboard shortcuts. It will be helping you when you are using your computer from your keyboard. So no need to use any mouse to click and search for anything. Simply follow me so you will get the new tips for your keyboard and for your Windows. Let's go. I am not wasting your time. Let's go and see what are the 3 new shortcuts I am going to introduce you. You can see on my screen the first shortcut is Control Shift plus Escape. So if you are pressing Control Shift and Escape on your screen, it will immediately open the Task Manager. So I will give you a brief idea about Task Manager, why we are using the Task Manager in my upcoming videos. Just for now, to open the Task Manager, no need for your mouse. Just click on Control Shift and Escape. I hope you enjoyed this. And the next shortcut I am going to introduce is Windows plus right arrow key. So what it will do? So I am clicking my Windows plus right arrow key. What it will do? It will split your screen and it will show immediately what are the application you have opened in your screen. So it is pretty much simple. You just need to click on Windows and right arrow key. So the third tip is so much simple and very much useful for everyone. If you are connecting your laptop or your computer with external monitors or external projectors or any other output media, so how to connect? After connecting the cable, you just need to click on Windows key and P key. So it will immediately ask 4 options: PC screen only, duplicate it, extend it, or second screen only. So you just need to click Windows plus P key. So I will give you a just a quick explanation what all are this. The PC screen only means if you select this, it will show only your laptop screen. The second one, duplicate. It will exactly duplicate your laptop screen to your monitor or on your projector or any other external devices. The third one, extend. What it is, if you are extending your display, the first screen will be your laptop screen and you can use the second screen as your monitor or your projector. So you can you are extending your screen, so you will be getting 2 screens from one device. What is the fourth option? It is second screen only. It is by default. If you are selecting second screen only, your laptop display will not show. Only you can see this second screen, which is your monitor or your any external device or projector. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe me. Please share my video. Put your comments. Thank you. Have a great day.